back to my channel. And just as the title says, today is another Onyx Box unboxing. This is the October box, and let's just go ahead and get into it. And I will say that for the month of October I did get a spoiler. This was only because they were like posting it everywhere on those social media, so I was like, you know what, it's fine. I know what one of the things for the October box is. It's cool, so I'm just go ahead and get into the box. So just like last month, the inside of the box has this gorgeous picture on it, and I did end up giving my friend my last month's box. I've used the box for her birthday present and she absolutely loved the box, so I'm glad that I got another one so that way I can keep the inside of the box. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is what I saw all over their social media, which is Hairfinity. And I've never tried Hairfinity before, and this one has 14 capsules in it. It says to take 2 capsules daily, so that's a week's worth of the Hairfinity vitamins. And I don't know, y'all let me know in the comments, is a week a long enough period of time for Hairfinity for you to see results, or do you need like more time to actually see something? I'm thinking like with something like this you would need at least a month to see some kind of results, but I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you've used Hairfinity, if it's something that helped your hair, because right now I'm natural and I'm still learning what my hair does and what my hair needs. So using this for a week, I mean, I'm gonna give it a try to see if it does anything, but I'm not sure because I feel like wouldn't you need a lot longer than a week to see results. But this is the first thing in the box, and let me see. On the card, so this is the card for this month. It is of course a gorgeous card as always, so I'll be adding this to my collection and wait till I get 2 more, and then I can do what I did like the ones back there and put them in a frame, because I absolutely love keeping these cards. So this is saying that the Hairfinity is $12.50. I'm not sure if this is $12.50 or the bigger bottle is $12.50. I don't know. I'll look it up, and all the information for everything is always in the description. So I'm interested to see if, I don't know, maybe this will do something for my hair, maybe not. If you follow me on Snapchat, that will be the first place that I'll put any kind of review or anything about this, because it's just the quickest way to, you know, review something real quick. So the next thing in the box is this goat's milk moisturizing day cream by a company that I'm not even going to try to butcher how to say it. I'll put it right here so y'all can know what the brand is, but this is a $12.99 day cream. It says it is for dry skin, which my skin can kind of get a little dry when it's cold. My nose is notorious for getting oily, then dry, then oily, then dry. So this could be interesting to use. It says it improves the skin's vitality while preventing signs of aging. And y'all know I love to smell everything, so gotta give this a smell to see what it smells like. It has a nice clean smell. It doesn't smell like it has any kind of perfumes or anything in it, and I don't know if you can see on camera because it is super bright in here right now, but it is just a white cream. So the cream feels good and it absorbs into my skin really quickly, and it's not sticky or anything. So I'm super excited to try this out. I think I need a new day cream. I'm not sure. I'm just running out of skincare stuff. Like, I'm just kind of going through it and I need to restock everything. So the Onyx Box, y'all are doing me a solid for putting skincare in for October, because I really need some more. The next thing is from Specific Beauty. This is a lightening and brightening eye cream. Let's go ahead and open this up. So this says it is for dark circles and puffiness. It has vitamins A, C, and E to help smooth and brighten skin. Now it says that it's $45, but I'm pretty sure that this isn't $45 because that'd be team too much. But I'm pretty sure they have a bigger size, and This is just a sample size. I'm sorry that y'all can't see it because it is super, like my lights are super bright because it's cloudy today, so I had to use my lights and I don't have any natural light today. But as always, I'll have the close-up shots and everything of everything. Again, Onyx Box, thank you for looking out for this month because I am like this close to being done with my eye cream, and I'm just like scooping it out, trying to use the rest of it. So once I figure out whether or not this is something I can find in store or online, I'm gonna give this a try out and see how well I like it. And I think this is a part of a 3-step kind of skincare program because it has 3 right here on the side, which again y'all can't see because of my lights, but really excited to try this also. Next is a apple cider vinegar rinse from DP Hue. This is a shampoo and conditioner substitute. Color locking technology gently removes impurities. Now I've been meaning to try an apple cider vinegar rinse since I became natural. I bought a bottle of apple cider vinegar and I just haven't used it yet because the smell of it is so strong. But if you've ever done a rinse with apple cider vinegar, you know that the smell is extremely strong, and that's the only thing kind of stopping me from doing it. But what I have been seeing lately are companies coming out with their own rinses without the really harsh smell. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this to see if it has that super strong smell, which I hope not, because I really want to use this. Actually smells really good. Kind of smells a little sweet, and it does not have that super strong smell. So I'm excited, and I'm super excited for that because I'm super excited about that because I've been wanting to do this rinse, and now I can. And I'm hoping that this is sold in stores, that way I can get a bigger bottle of it and continuously use it if this, you know, actually does something for my hair. So this is, it says $5. I'm not sure. This is probably a sample size, not 100% sure. All the information for sizes and everything is always in the description, whether or not I got a full size in the box or not. But I'm excited to try this because I've been wanting to do a rinse for a long time. Okay, so the last thing is from Parikh. I think that's how you say it. I'll put the name here. It is a age-defying 20% vitamin C serum. So I haven't even finished the last serum that I got in my Onyx box, so I don't want to open this because I want to kind of keep it together so when I am ready to use it, it's good. But this is a Reface Me Serum. It says it's for $26. Again, I don't know if this is the full thing or a sample size. So it says it's oil-based serum packed with antioxidants that can be used daily for protection against free radicals and environmental factors. Ever since I learned that it's okay for people with oily skin to use oils, I have been like oil crazy. Like, I've been wanting to try so many oils. I have the melanin oil from Butter Bar, I have the rose oil from Pixie, and now I have this oil, which for me, I didn't think oils were going to do anything for my oily skin, but I have seen some really good results with using facial oils. And so it has been blowing my mind with how good my skin has been doing since I've added oils to my facial regimen. And I'm a little upset that I did not start using oils sooner, but I'm glad I got another one, a little backup for when I run out of my ones I'm using now. So yeah, this like oils have been just really good for my skin. So that is it for my October Onyx box. It was all about skincare this month, which is interesting because I haven't really had a kind of cohesive trend when it came to the products in the box. So again, I'm super excited to try out the apple cider vinegar rinse. I'm hoping that this is a good one And I hope I can find it in stores, because y'all know I hate ordering stuff online. I like to go in the store to physically get it. I'll give y'all an update on how my hair did after a week of using Hairfinity. The box total, I think, was $45, $26, $13, $13, $5. I'd say it was probably about $60, close to $60, maybe on the high 50s for this box. My box is $19.99. I did see a coupon code going out on their social media for the $19.99 boxes again. I'm not sure if it's still out. But again, if you follow them on their Facebook, their Instagram, their Twitter, any of their social media, they give out coupon codes all the time. If they don't have anything out right now, my coupon code is always in the description box of my videos for $10 off your first box. Again, I've been loving Onyx Box, and I will continue to do these videos as long as I can possibly do them, because I am almost done with school and my schedule is getting busy. So I hope to continue these videos because I love doing these videos and opening these boxes on camera. So again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do if you would like, and like the video if you want to continually see me do these Onyx Box videos. And I will see y'all again in my next video. Bye y'all.